are on the way to deliver the package of cornbread to my Marine. And I have had to drive about 30 minutes to this UPS packaging place. So hopefully I'll find it okay. I have an idea of where it is at. So we're going to find out. And hopefully he will get it tomorrow, Wednesday at the latest. Praying that the cornbread stays in one piece. It is packed pretty tightly. And hoping that it is still good and moist. My husband and I had a little bit last night with dinner, and it was really good. Of course, it was still warm and fresh out the oven. All right, well, I'm going to let you go, and I will let you know when I get to the UPS store. Okay, I have found the UPS store. So we're going to park and grab our package and take it in. It is actually in the same parking lot as a Food Lion. So it is in a nail place, nail salon. So the parking lot is kind of packed and busy. Praying that the line is not long, because I actually have to get back home and get ready to go to work in 2 hours. All right. And I'm going to grab my package and put on a face mask, and I'll be back. All right, I have my face mask on and I'm ready to go. Let's get the package. All right, here's the package, and let's get it. And there's our UPS store. And we're gonna head in. All right, well, package is on its way. Oh wow, look how pretty the clouds are in the background. So hopefully he will get that by Wednesday is the stated time. So this ends our video tutorial, or not really a tutorial, our video moment of just sharing in my experience to get cornbread to my Marine. All right, so we are back in the car and package is on its way, and I appreciate you sharing this experience with me, and I will let you know what the Marine says when he gets his package of cornbread. So hopefully I will have a response for you on Friday with our cup to hook conversation. And thank you again for taking this ride with me, and be joyful and stay crafty. Bye.